What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna review this mechanical keyboard that I got from Amazon called AULA F99. Let's open it up and check it out. So a little backstory for this one. I was inspired by my brother's keyboard because he actually requested this on Christmas. Once I heard the keyboard clicking sound, I was sold, so I had to get it. There are multiple options for the colorway. I chose the standard color of black and white. What's included in the box are additional keycaps, your charging cable, however you do have the option to use a Bluetooth, and your keycap remover tool. Now it's time to switch up from my old to new one. Although I was a bit lazy, so I chose the old cable. They're both USB-C anyways. Alright, now we're gonna do the sound test. There you go. I think I would rate this a 9 out of 10. If it was a little bit talkier, then I would rate it 10 out of 10. But nonetheless, this is a budget-friendly keyboard, mechanical keyboard that you can get at Amazon.